Haunted Legends, Undertaker.
Hey guys, welcome back to Awesome Evan Games. Today we are playing the second Halloween game that I'm gonna be playing for the series, which is Haunted Legends: The Undertaker Collector's Edition. And actually, this is the third game. This is the third Haunted Legends game in the game series. But so first of all, the first one was the Queen of Spades. That one was hard, and the second one was the Bronze Horseman, I believe. I was not able to play that for some reason. I couldn't be able to, so then I had to go to the next Haunted Legends game, and this one is absolutely perfect for Halloween. You can see it's a bit creepy here. Hold on. That is a bit too loud. I want to turn up the music volume a bit because the music is really good. But, so The Undertaker, I believe, is based on a show, according to my mom, I think. Why am I still talking? I don't know. But it is from the Earth production, so they have a bunch of other games. I played their puppet show series. It is good. I had done the first three, as you probably know, so anyways, I'm still talking, so let's click play to start. Casual, advanced, and hard. The skip and hint buttons recharge quicker. Active zones are highlighted with sparkles. Casual mode, please. And let's click OK to start the game. Note, you can change your playing mode during the game from the options screen. Why, thank you for letting me know that. That is actually helpful to know so that I could change my options stuff, the playing mode. So, anyways, let's start.
At the edge of the sea, there lies a small fishing village that was once like every other. But an unthinkable horror has descended upon it. As the moon rises, so do the dead. A plague of wretched corpses besets the town day and night.
Hours later.
Detective, I've heard word of your skill, and I beg that you would not ignore a desperate woman's pleas. Something unnatural is happening in our town, and I fear for both my husband's and my safety. Please come at once, Mrs. Fisher.
Would you like to play with interactive help? Heck no, please. No. Alright. So first of all, let's padlock our inventory, blah 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 blah. And the reason why I chose this as one of my Halloween game series is there is zombies in it. Yep, zombies. But hello. Is he pretending not to see me? Or is he just out of his mind? Maybe out of his mind. Hello? Oh, I have a feeling I'm being watched. Who's that hiding there? and why. Hello, creepy shadow. Alright, so 6 feet under. What a creepy name. That is a bit creepy. But, so anyways, let's go forward. Whoa, what was that? Was that a newspaper? Huh, well, let's pick it up. Alright, so let's unlock that. That sounds a little suspicious to me. Such an elaborate gift from a stranger. Let me read it. Generous gift from visiting patron. A visiting gentleman recently presented our town with a surprising and wonderful gift. A monument depicting our village's main trade, fish. The stranger was not forthcoming with personal information. Only his initials are known. S.G. It is rumored that he hides his name because he is a well-known millionaire. Oh goodness. Regardless, the beautiful piece of art will fill the heart of the village. That is indeed suspicious. So, yeah. But here's something on the ground. So we got a handle. Hold on a bit. Let me turn up the sound volume a bit. There we go. So 6 feet under. Yeah, it kind of looks creepy. But let's take a look at the door, and I would knock. But how? Well, we have the handle, so let's use it here. And let's knock it. Knock, knock. Did someone call a detective?
Oh, thank goodness it's you, Detective. Please, come in. Quickly.
Guess I should follow her if I want to find out more. Huh. Okay, well, let's go inside quickly. Oh, hello.
It's good that you've come under such circumstances, Detective. My husband, Stephen, works like a man possessed. The dead.
Okay, the dead?
A strange little man came to the door one day and said he could solve our financial problems. I wish we had never let him in, but we were struggling. Stephen took some kind of amulet from the man, but he refused to give him the old mirror he wanted in return. I don't know what happened next. All I know is that the dead began roaming the streets. Please, come upstairs and I'll tell you more.
Where did you come from, monkey? Try not to get in my way. Wait, what? There's a monkey? I swear I saw SG's reflection in the mirror. Did he come to take his property? Okay. But let's move the mirror a bit. And here's a piece of paper. Interesting. It's the will of Mr. Fisher's father. I, Merton Fisher, hereby declare the following as my last will and testament. All the property belonging to me at the time of my death, whenever that might be, I will to my only son, Stephen. I assign to him custody of our family's most valued possession, the ancient mirror. It must be kept from the public eye and must not be transferred to anyone who is not of the Fisher bloodline. This testimony is written by the notary according to my dictation, and my signature below confirms my understanding and approval of the foregoing testament. Morton Fisher. Okay, yeah. Hello? So, this is one of the roaming dead Mrs. Fisher mentioned. I can see why she's so scared. Yeah, but here's the brush. And everything, I changed my mind. Everything's a bit too loud. Okay. Let's see if that works. But let's just ignore that for now. But let's take a look over here, and it looks like some kind of medallion used to be here, so we will need some medallion there. But a coffin. I take no pleasures in opening coffins, but I need to check inside. Where's the handle? So we won't need a handle here. But let's go upstairs. And there's Mrs. Fisher.
Stefan has been working all the time. It's like he doesn't see what is happening. You must find out what is going on. Perhaps you can start with this chest. A woman came to bury her husband yesterday. She was penniless, so she gave the chest to us as payment. Her husband was a sailor.
Okay, so, the poor woman is really upset by everything that's happening. I hope I can help. Yeah, I hope. But let's take a look at the chest, and I got a pretty good intuition, but I will never guess the code out of thin air. Yeah, but let's take a look over here. Hey, what's he eavesdropping? How rude! What's that note he dropped? Agent Cursed Amulet of Reverse Action. Oh. That's interesting, alright, but hold on a bit. Alright, so I just turned the sound down a bit, so now everything wouldn't be that loud. But here's a handle. Alright, so a coffin handle, and a built-in telescope won't help. I need to find a lens and secure it in the telescope, so we'll need to fix that. But, oh, there's a painting. I swear I saw the amulet in that painting glow. Wait. It glowed? Did you guys see that? It glowed. Yeah, it did glow. Okay. Well, here's a key. Alright, the couple looks happier here. It's a shame how drastically everything has changed. Yeah, but let's take a look over here and move the leaves. And let's take one of the lenses in the glasses. And here's an envelope. An ordinary mirror for a magical amulet? That doesn't sound like a fair trade agreement. I, Stephen Fisher, undertake to give Mr. S.G. my property. The mirror inherited it from my father, Morton Fisher, in exchange for his amulet of propostrophe. So S.G. Stephen Fisher. Yeah, that doesn't sound like a fair trade at all. But let's go back downstairs. Alright, so everyone, I'm sorry, but all of a sudden, my microphone stopped working, so I had to do a new recording. So now it's just like a second part, but it's still going to be in the same video. Otherwise, how are you watching this? But so yeah, did that guy just took the mirror? What did he do with the zombie? The zombie, wait, the zombie's gone. That's not creepy. But hey, there's something on the windowsill. Oh wait, a lens socket. Okay, but the guy went over underneath the statue. Okay, we have to figure out how to move the statue. But that was just a little bit crazy. And the sound is a little bit too loud, so hold on. There we go. So, but because of the guy took the mirror, now it's gone from the wall. But oh, a unique lock must require a unique key. Well, we have the key, so let's use it here. And let's open it up. And here's something inside. A left medallion half, so I guess we'll have to find the right half. But let's go over here and use the coffin handle here. And let's open it up. And there's no body, but here's some items. Alright, so a bone and a pirate hook. There must be a body there used to be a body of a pirate in there. I'm just saying that because there's a bone and a pirate hook. Yeah. But because of the zombie stuff, we cannot go outside. We have to stay inside. So, but let's go back upstairs. And let's take a look over here and use the lens socket here. Any simple lens would help me observe what's going on outside. Well, we have the lens, so let's use it here. And now let's look through. Oh, I wonder if these numbers mean something. It could be nothing. Or 712 could actually be some kind of code. Oh, so 712. Let's take a look at the chest. And we just hit our first puzzle. Enter the correct code to open a chest. Alright, so a puzzle 712. 712. And what's this? I seen the same fish in the photo of SG. It must be his. That certainly is unique. The iron fish is missing its scales. When you find a scale, it will be put back in its place on the fish. Click on the fish. The scale should be put back into this fish. Destiny fish. I think the missing scales are important, so we have collectibles, which is the scales, but it will be very important in the end of the game. But here's the other half of the medallion. Alright, so now let's go back down. And let's take a look over here and use the left medallion half and the right medallion half here. Complete the angel figure by threading. It's broke the broken pieces onto the rod in the correct order. Alright, so we got another puzzle. It's time to expand my investigation. Alright, so the statue moved, so now let's go down into the secret place. Hello? Yep, he's a zombie. Maybe I can just roll him away. Maybe, but oh, I can't move the gurney with a wheel missing, and the zombie certainly won't help me. Yeah, because it's a zombie, and he is what we're trying to roll away. So we need to roll away the zombie somehow. But oh, there's the wheel. That's a little too high for me to reach. Maybe a tool can help me. Oh, we have a pirate hook, so let's try it here. Oh, that won't work. We can't just use a hook for that. But oh, there's a bathtub. It seems that he and I are playing a little game of tag, but who's chasing who? Well, one thing that is confusing, why is there a monkey in the game? That is one weird question. This game is very confusing, but what could I do with this handle? Maybe I could use it to make the long hook. Oh, well, we have the pirate hook, so let's use it here. And let's take this. So now we have a long hook. I don't like the looks of that water. I should clean it somehow. So we will need to clean the bathtub. But let's take a look over here and oh, the trowel is stuck. Good thing it got stuck right under a water source. Here's the water source. And let's take the shovel. And clean water will be helpful. So maybe we can use the water for something, but oh, this must be a zombie. Hello. But let's take, here's a chest. Oh, a lock chest can hold anything. Now I'm curious. Yeah, but here's something on the wall. The skeleton must be uncomfortable. It's missing a bone. Well, we have the bone, so let's use it here. Okay, that's a nice surprise. Arrange the missing bone, so now we have to place the bones back here, so a puzzle. Why, hello, bats. But, oh, there's something in his mouth. Oh, what is that? A bottle of powder. Okay, well, let's take a look back over here and use the long hook here. So now we got the wheel, so let's take a look over here and use the wheel here. Alright, we rolled him away, and look! Here's some sparkles over here, which means heading off to time. Finally, we hit an object scene. We had started off with 3 puzzles and then a hidden object scene. So our first hidden object scene. Alright, so here's this stethoscope. A compass. Oh, this kind of compass. An octopus. A pair of glasses. Let me turn down the music. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. So, that might be why it's so loud because I turned up the music earlier, but here's a spider. Here is a pawn, right? I know it's a chess piece right here. A ring. And let's ring this bell. To denote. And that's a big fish. I think there's something inside it. Well, here's a razor, so let's use it here. And it ate a pouch. That's a bit weird. Okay, well, let's open up this skull's jaw. And he was eating at some grapes. And, oh, hello, little snail. Yeah, you are kind of being a little bit slow. Don't worry, take your time. Take your time. Oh, you're gonna stop right there? Okay. But there was a moon underneath it. Alright, and our item is the corkscrew. Alright, and let's take a look at the table over here, and I have to find all the ingredients in the instructions. Oh, water cleaner. According to this, mixing these ingredients will create a cleaning solution. So let's use the corkscrew on this bottle. But we can't use that yet. But here's an empty bottle. Alright, so let's take a look over here and use the empty bottle to get the water. Alright, so let's look over here and place the bottle of water here. Alright, so let's use the bottle of powder here. And let's make the water cleaner. And here's the water cleaner or cleaning solution. So now let's take a look at the bathtub and use the cleaning solution here. Aha! There's an exclusive drain plug. Now I can get rid of this water. Wow, that's a large drain plug, but let's pull it up. Oh, okay. that's a bit weird, a passageway underneath the bathtub. But now let's go forward. He seems to know every tunnel and passageway around here. Yeah, but let's follow after him. Blocked at every turn. He's good at what he does. I'll give him that. Yeah, but oh, that shape looks like the skull to me. Maybe it's all the zombies playing tricks on my brain. Maybe, but that actually does need a skull. So, oh, is that a snake? You again? This is no time for games. I got things to do. Yeah, Monty, just don't get out of my way. But let's take a look over here. And here's a deer. Alright, and oh, here's a coffin. I guess the cleaning crew hasn't been here in a while. Of course, this is an underground passage that is secret. Maybe I can spruce things up. Well, we have a brush, so let's use it here. And here's some buttons. And this image definitely seems important. Yeah, looks interesting. But, oh, this soil has been recently disturbed. I bet SG's buried something here. Well, we have a shovel, so let's use it here. And he hid garden shears. Why would he want to do that? I don't know, but let's take a look over here. And looks like some buttons are missing. Well, we have the buttons, so let's use them here. And it's a puzzle that I'm going to skip because it's very hard. So I'm going to skip this puzzle. Alright, and here's a T. A chest T to be precise, but let's go down. And look, the sparkles are back over here, which means hidden object time. Again. Alright, so here is a skipping rope. I know I saw that before though. Is this it? Just what I thought. Here's a spoon leer. No, that's it. Here's the spoon leer. Maybe this is it. Yeah, that was it. I thought that little hook thing was it, but never mind. Here's some matches. Some crayons. Right. I know I saw it. Where's the crayons? I know I saw them. Crayons, yeah. Okay, well that's weird. I know I saw some before. Oh well, alright, so here is a starfish. Here is a spear. A clover. A key. Are these the crayons? Of course those were. But, if I put some powder in the tube, would I get a reaction? Most likely, but here's some powder, so let's use it here. Wow, that's a lot of foam. And let's turn the skull to get the star. And here's a piece of paper. Oh, look, there's a pitcher of water. Whoopsie daisy, I got butterfingers. Oops, but hey, it revealed a note. And our item is the red fish. Alright, so let's take a look at the chest and use the T here. Oh, here's a notebook. All the villagers were there. He couldn't stop bragging about his great dinner. He said every customer came to honor the best baker in the village. Am I so bad? Do I work any less? I swear on my father's honor, the day will come when all my clients will honor me like that, even if they have to come back from the grave. Okay. Find iron fish scales throughout the world and click on them to pick them up. Click on the scale. Our first scale. So we got the lobster. So here's a skull. Alright, and let's go through the secret passage. And before I look on there, I'm afraid we might have to stop the video here. So like the video if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel if you hadn't. And so thanks for watching this zombie invested video of Haunted Legends number 3, The Undertaker Collector's Edition, part 1 of that. And this is Othman Dames. Bye!